Afternoon, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor to wrap up the week. It is February 1st. We did have corn finish lower. Okay, we started off strong, looked good early in the session, met with some profit taking though. We saw a big run here this week. Corn finishing down 4.5 cents today. But going back and retesting that breakout point we saw this week at 735 on that March contract. But sitting just above that, I think we settled 736 today, right near that. Beans, though, very strong early on, but did manage to finish 5 3/4 cents higher today. Big, strong week this week for beans. Little different story for wheat. Wheat down 14.5. So a lot of profit taken there for wheat. Wheat just struggling here at this point to catch anything, but wheat down sharply. Now, something that we've got to pay attention to here is this forecast for Argentina. Looks like they are getting some rain. They got a little rain yesterday. Got more rain in the forecast for today and tomorrow, but they pushed back some of the other rains back another couple days, but still looking at getting some decent rains over the next week. But behind that, still dry. The other thing is that we've got the weather that has been so hot down there, that heat, that has backed off quite a bit as well. Not going to get as hot, which is going to help things out a little bit as well. Drew Lerner this afternoon had put out the forecast basically stating that if we do get these rains here, we're going to see a pretty good crop out of Argentina. So watch these forecasts. I cannot stress that enough. We're still trading that at this point. Looking at some of the outside markets, the dollar dropping back another 4 cents. So after the Fed comes out basically saying they're going to continue buying long-term bonds, we broke back pretty hard. The dollar for the week down 62. We're right near these recent lows that we've seen. Any further declines here at this point could spark more selling. And what happens when the dollar breaks? We end up seeing commodities supported. So maybe more inflationary look at commodities and maybe a little bit more of a boost there. Crude oil down most of the day, ending up finishing higher once again. And it just seems like every day I come on here telling you guys that crude oil is higher. Well, it is. 97.65, very strong week again, and that's making its climb up to that $100 mark for crude. We did have cattle down 60 cents today for April's. We did have a report out today for cattle. It's probably neutral, maybe a little friendly, but not a lot of news out of that. I think a lot of guys are waiting to see how cash cattle trade here today. No trade as of yet. Still trying to watch that to see if we get stronger prices, cash prices here this week. But the reason we broke back maybe a little today in the last few days, today Russia did reconfirm that they are going to ban beef here February 11th. They did have that reconfirmation here today, and that kind of put a little pressure on cattle. Now, hogs down about 57 cents for April. A little profit taking here. Cash markets have kind of stalled for a little bit. We feel that we could still continue to see some stronger cash prices here for hogs, but a little bit of a pause today. And futures had ended up seeing some profit taken, maybe pushing things down a little bit. But the charts still look strong here for hogs, and we'll have to keep an eye on that as well. So I hope you guys had a great week. Have a great weekend. Stay warm out there, and we'll talk to you next week. Give us a call at 800-262-7538, or check us out on the web, allendale-inc.com. Have a great week.